How to check and delete Google Play Store purchase history. So if you want to check your Google Play Store purchase history, then first of all open up your Play Store application, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has your profile, and now go for payments and subscriptions, and then here you will have budget and history option. Tap on that, and here you will have all of your budgets, like all of your history. So in the Google Play Store you can only watch your purchase history, but you can't delete your purchase history. We don't have an option to delete our purchase history, so that's it, you can only watch it. But if you want to remove, then the only way is to delete your Google account, and after deleting your Google account your purchase history will be deleted. So that's the only way, and we don't have that option. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.